Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. In today's video, I would like to demonstrate to you the versatility of my fast cooking system, particularly template-based cooking. And by template-based cooking, you can make adjustments in creating a novel dish. In this case, I'm going to show you how to make adjustment to the fried rice template to create a fried rice that children would enjoy. This fried rice template probably is one of the most simple templates. You start out with rice and you cook the egg directly with the rice. And then you can add whatever ingredients that you like to create the type of fried rice that will be suitable for your eaters. And in this case, I want to create a fried rice for children. It is because my friend Jackie and her two sons are coming for dinner. They are 7 and 9 years of age. They are rather picky eaters like most children, but they love hot dog. So I told them that I'm going to make them a hot dog fried rice. I'm going to cook this dish in my Imusa 14-inch light cast iron wok by starting with 3 tablespoons of canola oil. I'm going to season the wok with my spot seasoning method to create a non-stick cooked surface. Basically, I let the oil to smoke and then I turn down the heat and I let it to smoke gently for another 15 seconds. And this is the time when the wok is being seasoned. The texture of the cooked rice is important to prepare a good fried rice. Before you use the cooked rice to make the fried rice, you want it to be dry. And the best way to achieve that is to store the cooked rice in the refrigerator for at least overnight. To break up the rice, I use a kitchen tool known as hamburger meat masher. This tool actually is designed for mashing up ground meat, but it works very well for making fried rice. I next switch to a wok spatula. I push the rice onto the edge of the wok and make a well in the center. I add about 1 teaspoon of oil and I use it as a small frying pan to fry 2 eggs. This is one of the many ways how you incorporate eggs into a fried rice. This method will allow the egg to blend better into the rice. It actually will coat the rice and give the rice a smoother texture. This is just one of many different approaches to make fried rice. I fry the egg until the egg yolk is about half done, and then I use the wok spatula to mix everything together with the rice. Some people prefer this method because it allows the eggs and the rice to blend together. Next, I'm going to add some chopped cabbage to the rice. The reason that I add the chopped cabbage is because one of Jackie's sons loves cabbage. I'm tailoring this dish to the taste preference of my guest. Okay, the next step is that I'm going to cook the hot dog. Again, I'm going to create a space in the middle of the wok. I'm going to add a small amount of cooking oil and I'm going to add the hot dog directly to that space. I have cut up the hot dogs into small chunks, and by frying them slightly, it gives them better flavor. This only takes about 10 or 15 seconds, and then I mix all the contents together. I discovered that you really do not need to add too much hot dog to the fried rice. Just a small amount will go a long way. And next, I add about 1 cup of sweet corn. The reason I add the sweet corn because Jackie's other son loves corn. Basically, I tailor the fried rice to exactly how they would like it. I took the sweet corn directly out of the freezer and add them to the wok. You don't need to thaw them out at all. And next, I'm going to season the fried rice with my basic seasoning mix. This seasoning mix is designed to enhance the natural flavor of the ingredients. It is a very mild seasoning, and I think my diner will prefer that better. And you can take a look at this video to learn what is in this seasoning mix. One thing that I know Jackie really enjoys is onions. So I decided I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of chopped onion. Again, what I'm doing right now is what I call flavor chasing. I try to adjust the ingredients in this fried rice to create the kind of flavor that I know my diners will enjoy. After doing a quick taste test, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, which will enhance the umami flavor of the fried rice without making it too salty. This is then followed by 1/3 cup of grated carrot and then 1/4 cup of chopped scallions. Both of these ingredients will add great flavor to the fried rice, but more importantly, they also enhance the color of the fried rice, making them more attractive. As the saying goes, a good-looking dish also makes it a good tasting dish. This fried rice dish is a great example of my fast cooking system, which include flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. The cook time of this dish is about 6 to 7 minutes. Most of the ingredients are already prepped in my advanced prepping. The only thing I need to prep is to cut up the hot dogs. I cook this dish based on my template, and consequently, I do not need a recipe. Jackie and her 2 children love this fried rice because I cook it specifically to tailor for their taste preference. When you use my fast cooking system, you will find it as easy to cook for your guests as it is when you cook for yourself. I post a video each day to help you to make home cooking as part of your daily routines. If you would like to learn more about my fast cooking system, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.